Did I hear someone say blizzard? I think I did.
Hello? What is here?
White out conditions! I can't see anything but snow.
Okay. A little snow falling off Penny's roof. Okay.
Oh, wow!
I heard it was a blizzard. I heard it was a
blizzard. Did I hear someone say blizzard? I think I did. Do you think Penny heard correctly? Is there a blizzard coming? Maybe I should look closer. Look once, look twice, look very, very carefully, Penny.
Is it really snowing? It is. All soft and quiet, like the world is holding its breath. I knew it would come. Was that snow I heard? Better make sure. Closer. Still can't tell. There it is! Snowflakes, big as buttons. Yep, definitely snowing. Guess it's cocoa time. Thanks for letting me check. Wow.
It's really snowing. Everything looks so quiet out there. Oh, hello, little one. Are you looking for supper? Stay warm out here. 1, 2, 3.
Look at it sparkle!
More coming up. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Penny's gonna love this.
What are you three doing out there? Making snow for you.
For me?
Yep, whole lot of it.
Watch this one.
Big finale! It's beautiful.
Hooray! Welcome to the snow, Penny! It's so sparkly today! Yay! Penny's here! Watch out, incoming!
I gotcha!
What are you waiting for? It's not a blizzard after all. It's just a whole lot of love and fun with my friends.